Here we are for sale, our September 2024 on a 74 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is a 300 model, so 3-ton gross vehicle weight. This one has got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 6-speed manual gearbox, and this is an L1 short wheelbase limited panel van finished in the fantastic grey matter. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the full spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll talk you through the full body styling which is on this vehicle, which we've done to it during our preparation. I'll also talk to you about what we've done to it mechanically during our preparation as well, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a Limited, you get a number of elements which come colour coded in the body colour. So that includes things like the bumpers, the mirrors as well, all come colour coded in the body colour, which in this case is, as I say, grey matter. Now there's a number of elements which have been added to this particular example by us, and that is the body styling. And we can start here at the back then. So we can see that we have got the gloss black rear spoiler just there. Low down then we've got the full gloss black low line aero kit, and that includes the rear splitter, the side skirts, the front splitter as well, and that has all been added along with the carbon rear bumper protector as well. Now a Limited comes with parking sensors, so you get rear parking sensors, as you can see there, integrated into the rear bumper, and you also get a reversing camera as well, and all of that comes as standard on the Limited. If you open up the rear doors, then we can start to have a look inside the back of this van. So the hinges on the back of these vans, it's a 2-stage hinge, so it, as standard, it will just lock into place there like that at 90 degrees, and with a good push it will open further then to 180 degrees. And of course you can do exactly the same with both doors, and you can just see how clean and tidy this is here in the back. Now we haven't reply lined the back of this van. Anyone who's familiar with us will know that most vans do get reply lined during preparation with us, but this was in such great condition that it was not required. When you can see here how clean the plastic floor is, the bulkhead is in fantastic order, and as I say, the original ply lining is still looking very good as well. We've got the LED load lights in the roof, and there's 2 extra lights at the back which you can use. There's little switch there just to toggle those on and off as you want, and this is the correct placement there of the toolkit, and you can just see the exposed painted areas in the back, just how clean and tidy this is in the back of here. Shutting the doors then, we'll continue to go around the outside of the vehicle. So looking at the wheels then, there's a fantastic brand new set of Caliber CV3 alloy wheels on here, and I really like the finish on these. This is a new finish that we've just had in. So these are a gloss black wheel with a smoked diamond cut face, which I think is really subtle, but when you actually notice the difference between the gloss black and this smoked diamond cut face, I think that is really, really smart indeed. And I'd say these are all brand new with brand new tyres, of course, all fully load rated for the vehicle. In terms of condition here then, just looking down the side of the vehicle, you can just see how clean and straight this is. It's looking in absolutely stunning order. Same with the rear doors as well. There's really not much I can fault on here. I'm just trying to see if there's any little chips or dings or anything, but it is looking in absolutely stunning condition, as you can probably see down here down the driver's side. If I open up the driver's door then, we can start to have a look inside the cab just here. So looking again at the floor, the driver's seat, it is in absolutely lovely order in here. You've got the driver's armrest, you can set that to your desired height, so you can have that wherever you like. It's comfortable, but yeah, the step, the floor, everything in here is just in lovely order. Looking at the steering wheel then, leather multifunctioning steering wheel. On the left hand side then, you've got your adaptive cruise control. On the right hand side, you've got your onboard computer controls just there. There's really little to no wear on the steering wheel as well. It still feels in really good order. Bottom left hand side of the digital display then, you can see the mileage there, 7,422 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly there, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. 6-speed manual gearbox, of course, I mentioned right at the start of the video. Underneath then there's a USB-C and a normal USB under there with a 12-volt socket as well, if you want to plug your phone in just there for a bit of charge. And then into the center, you've got this fantastic, this is over an 11-inch display here in the center. So you've got things like, you've got heated seats on here, climate control, heated front windscreen, heated door mirrors. All of that comes as standard on the Limited, and crucially you get wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto on here as well. Into the centre then, you've got the fold-down work tray with a bit of elastic there, with somewhere to store some paperwork. But yeah, really is a fantastic order. 2 full remote keys come with the vehicle, auto lights, auto wipers, electric windows, electric folding mirrors just there as well. Around to the front of the vehicle, I'm still trying to see if I can spot any signs of sort of damage or chips or anything like that, but it is looking in fantastic order. You've got the LED lights on the front then with that lovely daytime running light, as you can see there, and all this styling has been added then. So you've got the gloss black canards, the front splitter, and also the honeycomb front grille there as well. Trying to see for any chips or anything, like even there's like one chip here on the bonnet. We can just neatly touch that in, of course, in the correct colour, but I'm sort of picking holes. Really, there's a couple of tiny little marks down here, low down on the front bumper, but I'd say very minor. And finally here then, down the passenger side of the vehicle, again, just looking in the reflections there, looking for any signs of any dents or ripples or anything like that, but it is looking very, very smart. Is that a tiny little mark just there? No, that was a bit of polish residue, but there we are. It's looking really nice as well. Just opening up the side loading door then, that gives you another aspect of the load space from this angle. Of course, this vehicle does come with Ford manufacturer's warranty, so you've got warranty on this van until September of 2027, so plenty of time left on that. And during our preparation, Bridgend Van Care, our van specialist workshop, they've been right through this van and given it a full multi-point health check, but crucially a full service as well. So the van is absolutely ready to drive away straight away. So just to summarise then, it's a September 2024 on a 24 plate Ford Transit customer, so 300 model, so 3-ton gross vehicle weight, 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine, 136 PS, short wheelbase L1 Limited in grey matter. Lovely body styling kit, which of course is all brand new and has just been fitted by us during preparation. Full fresh service and multi-point health check, so the vehicle is absolutely ready to drive away straight away. 7,000 miles, full balance of manufacturer's warranty until September of 2027, so plenty of time left on that. We can arrange finance, of course, at very competitive rates, whether that be for a private individual or for a limited company. We can deliver our vans nationwide, and we can take cars or vans in part exchange as well. Thank you very much for watching.